This is the newer elevator at the Hoyt Science Resources Center at Westminster College in New Wilmington, Pennsylvania. This one is elevator 19. This is an added Otis Gen2 elevator during renovation. It's a California compliant vandal resistant button, which is not the most common.
Going up.
It's 2. Here we go up. There's a much older elevator with like old GAL fixtures I'm going to check out next. I'm doing this one first because it's not as interesting.
Second floor.
Here, 2.
Going down.
On the ground. Not entirely sure when this is installed, but judging by the voice and the condition it's in, probably was no earlier than 2020. It's a basic, probably 2020, 2021. Has like a laminate cab. It's like a brown laminate cab, kind of basic. Has LED spotlighting.
Ground floor.
Go back to ground.
Going up.
We're closing, that's gonna be it.